What if I told you that somewhere in the infinite darkness of space, there exists a star so impossibly massive that if we placed it where our sun sits right now, you wouldn't survive long enough to see Saturn? What if our entire concept of big is laughably, terrifyingly wrong? Look up, that brilliant sphere in our sky, our sun, the giver of all life on Earth. From where we stand, it appears no larger than the moon hanging in the night, but this is perhaps the universe's greatest optical illusion. Our sun lies 400 times farther from us than the moon. Its true diameter? A staggering 1,392,000 kilometers. To put this in perspective, Earth, with its 12,700 kilometer diameter, could fit inside the sun 1.3 million times. Our sun accounts for more than 99% of all the mass in our entire solar system. It is, by any measure we know, gigantic. But here's what keeps astronomers awake at night. What happens when we venture beyond our cosmic neighborhood? What horrors or wonders await us in the depths beyond? Are there stars that would make our giant sun look like a grain of sand on an endless beach? The answer will shatter everything you think you know about size. Imagine a star so colossal that if we transported it to the center of our solar system, Saturn would be consumed by its surface. That star exists. And it's not even the largest one we've found. Get comfortable. You're about to embark on a journey to meet the 10 most impossibly massive stars in the universe, monsters that defy comprehension and challenge the very limits of stellar physics. 10. Pollux. The deceptive giant. For millennia, humanity gazed at a tiny point of light in the constellation Gemini, never imagining what lurked 33.7 light-years away. Pollux, an orange giant with a diameter of approximately 12 million kilometers, nearly 10 times larger than our sun. Think of it this way. If our sun were a soccer ball, Pollux would be the size of a refrigerator. And this is just the beginning. 9. Arcturus. The ruby colossus at 36.7 light-years from Earth. Arcturus burns crimson in our night sky as the third brightest star visible to the naked eye. But what we see is merely a whisper of its true nature. This red giant measures approximately 36 million kilometers across triple the diameter of Pollux and more than 25 times the size of our sun. If our sun were that soccer ball, Arcturus would tower over you like a city bus. And yet we're barely scratching the surface of cosmic immensity. 8. Rigel. The blue inferno, 860 light-years away in the constellation Orion, burns a blue supergiant so luminous, so impossibly bright, that it outshines nearly everything in its stellar neighborhood. Rigel. With a diameter of 97 million kilometers, nearly triple that of Arcturus, this monster is so colossal that if we placed it in our solar system, its surface would reach beyond the orbit of Mercury. If our sun were a soccer ball, Rigel would stand as tall as a 5-story building. But here's the chilling part. Rigel is dying. In just a few million years, a cosmic blink, this giant will explode in a supernova so violent it will briefly outshine its entire galaxy. The countdown has already begun. 7. Pistol-starred. The stellar cannon. Now we take a great leap into the realm of the truly monstrous. We're talking about a star with a diameter of nearly 500 million kilometers. Enter the Pistol Star, a blue hypergiant measuring 425 million kilometers across. If we placed this beast in our solar system, it would swallow Mars whole and erase Earth from existence. Using our soccer ball analogy, the Pistol Star would be the size of an entire football field. Its brilliance equals that of 10 million suns combined, making it one of the most luminous objects in our galaxy. Located 26,000 light-years away, this giant burns 305 times larger than our sun, consuming its fuel at a terrifying rate. It's only a matter of time before it too meets a violent end. 6. Antares. The heart of the scorpion with a breathtaking diameter of 946 million kilometers. The red supergiant Antares dwarfs even the Pistol Star, doubling its size with room to spare. But it's not just the size that should capture your attention. Scientists believe Antares stands on the edge of catastrophic detonation. At any moment tomorrow, next year, or 1,000 years from now, this giant could explode in one of the most violent events the universe can produce. When it does, it will briefly become one of the brightest objects in the cosmos, visible even in daylight from Earth. 5. Betelgeuse. The dying titan. Imagine a star so colossal that if we placed it at the center of our solar system, its surface would nearly reach the orbit of Jupiter. With a monstrous diameter of 1.3 billion kilometers, Betelgeuse is a red supergiant located 642 light-years from Earth, the ninth brightest star in our night sky. This giant is 934 times larger than our Sun. But here's what makes Betelgeuse both fascinating and terrifying. It's dying right now. With relatively cool surface temperatures and an unstable core, Betelgeuse could explode as a supernova at any moment. When it does, the explosion will be so bright it might rival or even surpass the moon in our night sky. Visible even during the day, we could witness the death of a star within our lifetime. 4. Mu Cephei, the garnet giant, also known as Herschel's garnet star. Mu Cephei is a red supergiant with an extraordinary diameter of approximately 1.75 billion kilometers. This monster is 1,259 times larger than our Sun. If it replaced our Sun, its surface would extend far beyond Jupiter's orbit, consuming the inner planets like cosmic appetizers. Located 6,000 light-years from Earth, its distinctive deep red color is visible even through small telescopes, a crimson jewel burning in the darkness, a testament to the final stages of stellar evolution. 3. Vi Canis Majoris, the scarlet leviathan. We've reached the realm where numbers begin to lose meaning. VY Canis Majoris, a red hypergiant located 3,840 light-years away with a diameter of approximately 2 billion kilometers. This monster possesses a diameter 1,400 times greater than our Sun. You would need more than 1.4 billion suns to fill its volume. If our Sun were a soccer ball, V Canis Majoris would be the size of an ocean cruise ship stretching over 300 meters long. Try to comprehend that. I'll wait. 2. UY Scuti, the former champion. For years, UY Scuti held the crown as the largest known star in the universe. And while it has been dethroned, its scale still defies human comprehension. Located 9,500 light-years away, this red supergiant has a colossal diameter of 2.4 billion kilometers. Here's a thought experiment. Imagine boarding a jet that travels at 900 kilometers per hour. Now imagine flying around UY Scuti's equator without stopping for even a moment. It would take you 3,000 years to complete one lap. That's not a typo. 3,000 years. The entire span of recorded human civilization, and you still wouldn't have circled this star once. Like all the giants on this list, UY Scuti's days are numbered. It will eventually explode in a supernova so powerful that its core will collapse into a black hole, a gravitational abyss so dense that not even light can escape its grasp. 1. Stephenson 2-18, the King of Kings, and now we arrive at the throne. Stephenson 2-18, a red hypergiant located 18,900 light-years from Earth, with an almost incomprehensible diameter of approximately 3 billion kilometers. If our Sun were that soccer ball sitting in front of you, Stephenson 2-18 would tower as tall as the Empire State Building, and then some. It would dwarf the Eiffel Tower like a skyscraper dwarfs an anthill. This cosmic colossus has a volume so immense that you could fit more than 10 billion suns inside it. Let me repeat that. 10 billion suns. If we place Stephenson 2-18 at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend well beyond the orbit of Saturn. Earth, Mars, Jupiter all consumed, all erased. We would exist inside the star itself, vaporized instantly by temperatures reaching millions of degrees. And yet, despite being so monstrously gigantic, so impossibly vast, these stellar titans are nothing more than tiny sparks lost in the infinite expanse of the cosmos. These giants, these incomprehensible monsters that already seem colossal beyond measure, are reduced to imperceptible dots within even larger structures. Galaxies. Vast congregations of hundreds of billions of stars, swirling together in cosmic dances that span hundreds of thousands of light-years. Our journey doesn't end here. If you found yourself awestruck by these stellar giants, imagine what awaits when we zoom out even further, when we explore the 10 most gigantic galaxies in the universe, where even stars like Stephenson 2-18 become invisible grains of cosmic dust. The universe has only begun to reveal its secrets. Will you dare to venture deeper into the abyss?